Hello everyone and welcome back to English Class Channel where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. I'm Paul.
How are you today, Paul?
I'm very good, thank you. And I'm excited today.
Really? Why are you excited?
Because today we have a very important topic.
Yes, we do. Today we are talking about how to speak English every day without shy.
Oh, that sounds perfect for me.
Why?
Because sometimes I know the English words, but I don't speak.
Why not?
Because I'm shy.
Don't worry, Paul. Many English learners feel exactly the same.
Really?
Yes. Millions of people are shy when they learn a new language.
Wow. So I'm not alone.
Not at all.
Before we start. But first,
Yes.
if you enjoy our podcast,
Please click the like button.
and don't forget to subscribe
It really helps our channel grow.
and share this episode with your friends.
Now,
Let's begin!
Paul, can I ask you a question?
Of course.
When someone asks you a question in English, what happens?
My brain stops working.
Really?
Yes, I know the answer, but my mouth says nothing.
Haha, that happens to many learners.
My heart beats fast. I feel nervous. I think, what if I make a mistake?
Exactly. Most people are not afraid of English. They are afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, that is me.
Paul, can babies walk perfectly?
No, they fall many times.
Exactly. Can babies speak perfectly?
No. First they say, mama, dada. Small words.
Right. Nobody laughs at babies because mistakes are part of learning.
So, English learners are like babies?
Exactly. Your English is growing. It needs practice, not perfection. Paul,
Wow, I like that. Practice, not perfection.
many students wait. They think, I will speak when my English is perfect.
Yes, that is my plan.
And how long have you been waiting?
Haha. Maybe forever.
Exactly. Don't wait. Start today. Even simple English is real English.
Really?
Yes, look. Instead of saying nothing, say, I like coffee. I am tired. I live in Pakistan. I like football. Simple, easy, useful.
Oh, I can say those.
1-minute challenge. Let's play a game.
I love games.
Imagine you have only 1 minute. Talk about your room. Go.
Okay, this is my room. My room is clean. I have a bed. The bed is white. I have a desk. My laptop is on the desk. I have 2 books. There is a window. The weather is sunny. I like my room.
Excellent. Did you notice something?
What?
You spoke for almost 1 minute.
Really? I didn't even think about grammar.
Exactly. You were communicating. That is the goal.
Anna, sometimes I watch people speaking perfect English on YouTube. Then I feel bad.
Don't compare yourself. Compare yourself with yesterday.
Yesterday I knew 10 words. Today I know 15, exactly.
That is progress. Small progress every day becomes big progress 1 year later. Let's make a daily plan. Only 10 minutes.
Only 10? Yes.
5 minutes listening. 3 minutes speaking. 2 minutes reading. That's all.
Wow, I can do that. Even on busy days.
Exactly. Consistency is more important than studying for 5 hours one day and then stopping for 2 weeks.
Small habits, every day. Anna, When will I feel confident?
Confidence comes after action, not before.
Can you say that again?
Of course, speak first. Confidence comes later.
So, I don't wait for confidence. I create confidence.
Exactly. Every sentence you speak makes you stronger. Let's review today's lesson.
Tip number 1, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Tip number 2, speak simple English. Simple is powerful.
Tip number 3, practice every day, even 10 minutes.
Tip number 4, don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday.
Tip number 5, speak first. Confidence comes later.
Remember, nobody becomes fluent in one day. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner.
Even you.
Even me. Everyone starts somewhere.
That makes me feel better.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope this episode helps you speak English with more confidence.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend learning English.
And now we have a question for you.
Yes. Write your answer in the comments.
What is one English sentence you can say today?
It can be very simple. I am happy. I like tea. I am learning English. Anything.
We read every comment, and we love hearing from you.
See you in the next episode.
Keep smiling, keep practicing, and remember,
English is easier than you think.